And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email if you need help in any course. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on email. I am handling many students courses on Matila Pearson, Sandwich Mentab, MC Grahir, Seminat, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Now I am going to Matila Pearson and go to the Assess Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. Okay, click on Start button. Okay, exam will be start here. Click on Launch button. Chapter 4 Simulation Exam is started right now. Focus on my PC screen and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. With the Employee Commission, all quarters report open in layout view. Add the higher date field between last name and sum out sum of actual sales. Basically, in this question, we will with the employee commissions all quarter report open in layout view. We will open in layout view and then all quarter report open in layout view. Add the higher date field between last name and sum of actual sale. Okay, higher date between last name and sum of actual sales. Change the sum of actual sales label to total sales and press enter. We will have to change the label of sum of actual sales. We will change the label of sum of actual sales to total sale. Okay. Apply the Wisp theme to the object only. We will go to the design tab in the themes group, click on theme button. We will apply a Wisp theme on to this object only. Wisp theme, where is Wisp theme? One second. Here is Wisp theme. Okay, we will apply theme to this object only. Okay, question is completed. Now the next question of this exam is that create a basic report that will open in layout view based on the employee commissions all quarter query. We will go to the create tab and then basic report that will open in layout view on the employee commission all quarter query. Where is okay employee commission all quarters and then go to the create tab in the reports group, click on report button. Use the report wizard to create a report based on the sales by employer table. Add all three fields to the report. Remove the existing grouping field and group the data by quarter. Use the summary option to calculate the average actual sale. Accept the remaining default option and complete the wizard. Use the report wizard to create the report based on the sales by employer table. We will select sales by employers table and then go to the create tab in the reports group. Click on report wizard button. Add all three fields, employee ID and then a quarter and actual sales. Okay. Use the summary option to calculate the average actual sale. Okay. We will have to add three fields. Okay, summary and then click on the average checkbox, then click on OK button. Click on next button and click on finish it. Question is completed. Now the next question of this exam is question number 3. with employee info report open in layout view. In this question, we will employee info report open in layout view, add a grouping level to the report that groups by the commission's rate field. We will go to the design tab in the grouping and totals group, click on group and sort button. Then click on a group, add a grouping label to the report that groups by the commission rate field, click on commission rate field. Okay, sort the data by hire date. Click on hire date. Okay, question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 4. Change the layout of the sales by employee form to tabular. We will click on the sales by employee form and then go to the arrange tab. Go to the arrange tab in the rows and column group. Tables group. Click on tabular button. Switch the layout to stacked and then display the form in form view. Switch the layout to stacked. We will go to the arrange tab in the tables group. Click on stacked button and then display the form in form view. Go to the design tab. In the view group, click on view button and then click on form view button. Sort the actual sales field is descending order. Click on the actual sales field and then go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on descending. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do 5 questions of this exam. This is the 5th question of this exam. I have done 4 questions so far. Okay, question number 5 is that select but do not open the sales by employees table. Use the form tool to create a form based on the sales by employees table. Basically, in this question, we will select but do not open the sales by employees table. We will select the employees table but do not open. Okay. Go to the create tab. Go to the create tab and create a form based on sales by employees table in the form group and create a form. Close the form and save the form as sales by employee. We will close the form and save this form. Right click on this, close and save this form as sales by employee. Okay, click on OK button. Create a separate form based on the employees info table. We will click on the employee info table and then create a separate form. Go to the create tab in the form group, click on more form button and then click on separate form. Now change the title to employee info dash separate view and press enter. We will change the title employee info dash split view and press enter. Create a new multiple item from based on the sales by employee table. We will go to the create tab. We will select the sales by employee table. Then we will go to the create tab in the form group. Click on more form button and then click on multiple item button. Multiple item button. Change the title to sales employee dash multiple item. We will change the title to sales employee dash multiple items and press enter. Create a navigation form with the horizontal tabs layout. Okay. Create a navigation form with the horizontal tabs layout. Go to the create tab. In the form group, click on navigation button. And then we will create a navigation form with the horizontal tabs. Where is horizontal tab? You can see on my PC screen. Please focus on my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. Click on the horizontal tabs button. Add the saved sales by employee form and employee info form to navigation form. We will have to add the saved sales by employee, saved by employee, and the employee info form and employee info form. We will have to add employee info form. Where is the employee info form? Okay, this two form will be added. Question is completed now. You can see on my PC screen, I have done 6 question of this exam. Total question is 8. It's mean I have done 90% exam in my video. And if you do not able to do this exam, and if you want to do this exam from me, I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown on the bottom of the screen, and my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, nursing, medical, writing courses, math courses, Java, C++, Python, web development, and many more online courses. You can contact me easily on my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.